I've just about got the old apple tree cleared out of the dead tamarack. A lot of dead tamarack yet though. I came out after supper, been working today. I don't know, cut a few trees down. But I come out to get my dessert off this old apple tree. Little apples, but they really look pretty good. And really taste. They're good. Wow. Seeds are brown. I was always told that when the seeds are brown, they're ripe. So, good. Well, that's one good thing. Trimmed off the dead wood and the broken branch off from it. So cool.